Here we're going to be replacing an iPhone 4S battery. You can tell if it's a 4S or a 4. The 4 has got a line on the top here, and the 4S has got one either side. So we're going to start by popping out the bottom screws. Use standard T1. Very simple job. Slide the back up and it lifts off. You got two screws. One, two, and you've got a little piece just here. Make sure you don't lose that. It's not really important at all, but if it's there, it's good to pop it back in. Pop your connector up. Do that again, just in case you didn't see. It's easy as get your fingernail just on this top bit here. Pop straight up. Pull it by this tab, and the battery pops out. Sometimes it doesn't. Not just get a spudge, go in here, pop it out. So that's your old one, and your new one. Pop in your little metal piece, clip the battery down there, all nicely lined up. Get your two screws back in. Just like so. Okay, and turn it around and hopefully it's got a bit of power. All you got to do then is pop your back on, slide it down, put your two bottom screws, and that's it. It's as simple as that. That's it. After changing your battery, you need to either plug it into iTunes or connect to Wi-Fi, as your date and time resets to 1970. And oh, this one's done it by itself. Connected to Wi-Fi already. Otherwise, you won't get any signal. So now that's happened, I can pop it into airplane mode. Pop it back off. You should get a signal. Oh no, he's taking the SIM card out actually. But thanks for watching.